I used to wake up drowning in anxiety. My heart was racing and my mind was spiraling out of control. Until I found one mindset shift that broke me free. Stick around for the steps that changed my life. And grab my free transforming SAD starter kit in the pinned comment below. It's a real game changer. Hey, my name is Patrick Verner, and this channel is all about real mental health wins. Today's video is personal. I'll show you how I went from paralyzed by anxiety to taking back control. This is not fluff. It's stuff I wish I'd known sooner. Let's dive in. Picture this. 2 years ago, I couldn't leave my house without a panic attack. My brain was a violent storm with constant what-ifs, racing thoughts. I tried everything, apps, breathing exercises, and even therapy. Nothing stuck. I felt trapped, like anxiety had chained me to this version of myself I hated. Sound familiar? Drop a yes in the comments if you're there. I see you. Then one day, I hit rock bottom. I was crying in my car, thinking this can't be my life. That's when I stumbled on this mindset shift. It's not some magic cure. It's a way of rewiring how you see anxiety. I started small, testing it out, and within weeks I felt the chains loosen. I could breathe again. Here's what I did, and what you can try too. Step 1. Name the beast. Anxiety loves vagueness. When anxiety would grab me, I'd say out loud, "This is anxiety, not my reality." It sounds silly, but naming anxiety shrank its power over me. Step 2. Reframe the feeling. Instead of fighting it, I tell myself, this is my body trying to protect me. It's just overdoing it. That mental flip changed everything for me. Oh, and if you're loving this so far, make sure you grab my free Transforming SAD starter kit in the description below. It's also in the pinned comments section. And it has extra tools to help kickstart your mental health transformation journey. Let's keep growing. Step 3. One small win. I'd pick something tiny, like making my bed. This proved I wasn't powerless. I practiced this daily. First week, not going to lie, it was a bit rough. Second week, I felt lighter, more clear. By month's end, I was leaving the house without dread. Start today and let me know how it goes in the comments. Fast forward to today. While I'm not exactly cured, my anxiety still knocks sometimes, but it doesn't own me like before. I have regained my power and am no longer allowing anxiety to control me. This mindset shift isn't just my story. Mental health studies back it up. Reframing thoughts is a legit cognitive behavioral therapy. It works extremely well if you work at it. That's it. The simple mindset shift that broke my mental health chain called anxiety. If anxiety is holding you back, try these steps and tell me how they are working for you. Which one are you starting with? Comment below. I read every comment. While you're down there, make sure you grab my free and incredibly powerful Transforming SAD starter kit in the pinned comment. It's packed with even more amazing tips. Subscribe for more powerful mental health tools every single week. This is Patrick Verner, wishing you great mental health. Namaste.